Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be working on the OG. I guess the truck that pretty much started the channel. We're gonna be doing some more lights installs. I got them right here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I went ahead and ordered these Oracle wheel lights. I got the full white kit, so these are not RGB. I believe so. Let me see. No, I don't say. Oh yeah, there it is right there. They're the dual roll, double white. I haven't opened it, so I'm about to see. God damn, boy, some big ass lights. I might not be able to fit them anyways. I'm about to look. It's instructions. Here's the actual rings. Damn, some big ass ring. Man, I hope these fit. I'm gonna have to go up under the truck right now and see if they actually fit. And like I said, this is just your waterproof connection. But this bit just gonna mount on the dust shield. These, like I said, these are dual row LEDs. So I mean, they're from Oracle, so they're pretty bright. But I'm gonna have to do a mock-up real quick and just see if they'll run, because I got 18-inch wheels right here, which it looks like it will. I guess not, maybe not. We'll find out right now. I'm about to check. But yeah, that's the game plan. We'll see right now. Alright guys, so here's a quick mock-up to see if they're gonna clear. So let me get back under here. So I kind of put the wheel on right now. It's kind of hard to see. Put that right here. But these are 18-inch rims, and these wheel lights were like 19-inch rims. If y'all can see right here, it's really close. Look at the gap right here. It's probably half an inch or so. It's pretty freaking close. But if I can get it right there, I think we'll be all right, because it's not gonna hit right there. Let me see. I'm just trying to make sure. And see if I can hold it in place while I try to turn this wheel. It's because if I don't get it right perfect, the wheel can end up hitting these wheel or these balance beads, or whatever these wheel weights. So I need to get it just right. Alright guys, so here's the update of the truck. So it went from just putting wheel lights on it to actually doing more maintenance on it than I thought. I had to replace this bracket for the calipers on the back. I got it here. I'm about to show y'all. And then when I got to the front, man, I was having problems with a grinding noise on it. So I thought it was just the actuator, which the actuators are here. But I think it's the wheel bearing, so I don't know if you'll be able to catch it, but that wheel bearings are, see, they got a little bit of play. They're not bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace everything. So I went ahead and ordered new ball joints, wheel bearings, actuator, tie rods, sway bar links, and everything. And like I said, it went from just being wheel lights to now like a 3-day thing on this truck. I just got back from the auto parts. Finally got all the pieces I needed. So I'm about to just get on it, clean this up first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, finish the back, But like I said, it was just gonna be a installing wheel lights, but it turned out to be more. Here's what they look like right now. The other side is done because the other side everything was fine on it. I didn't have to replace any brackets or anything like that. All the pins were fine. So this side's done. I'm just gonna finish up this back side right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the front and go from there. But here are everything that I bought right now. So here's the ball joint press, some brake cleaner right there, some new grease, new sway bar end links, new ball joints, new tie rod ends, and new wheel bearings. And here's the bracket that I told y'all. I took the other core back, but basically one of these pins was just stuck inside that, and it wasn't coming out. So I tried, just said screw it, I'm gonna get a new bracket, and I did. But yeah, other than that, we're just gonna keep working on it and go from there. Alright guys, so the truck is done. Finished putting all the wheel lights on there and changed out the whole front suspension. Basically everything's new. I set upper control arms, but I got new tie rod, new sway bar end links, new wheel hubs, and four-wheel drive actuators. Pretty much everything. Everything's pretty much brand new. And there's kind of the way I mounted the wheel lights. It was kind of tricky because, you know, they're supposed to mount flat flush with that with a dust shield, but mine are actually a little bit raised because these are 18-inch wheels, and if I flush them, then it wouldn't clear those wheel weights on all four tires. So it's all the same thing. Some a little bit more than others, but let's see, that's kind of what it's looking like. We'll go ahead and turn them on. But it's the same on all four sides. Let's see if I can turn these on. Oh yeah. Alright. And like I said, I got dual roll. They're from Oracle Lighting, and they're just a pure white. I didn't get no RGB or anything like that. The backs mine are a little bit easier because you know you don't have those bigger brakes and stuff. But that's it. But yeah, I'll do some night shots so y'all can see later on tonight what it's looking like. But I went, like I said, I just got back from the alignment. I had to go do an alignment on the truck because of all those suspension components that I did, the steering components. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. But I think it's gonna look good at night. It'll be actually look better with wider wheels, but I don't have any right now, and I'm planning on getting my stock 20s once I get some tires for them. That's what it's looking like. Also, one more thing. So all the wiring pretty much ended up getting connected about right here, about mid truck, because the back extensions wouldn't fit. It's kind of and then I fed just the ground and the positive, the power wire up to that rough country control box that I got right here in the hood. And like I said, it's easy because you just plug and play right there, and all I do is just put them. They're on these switches. So right now, that's the wheel light. So I'm running the light bar on this one, and then the grill lights, rot lights, the wheel lights now. Yeah, so light bar, grill lights, rot lights, wheel lights, backup lights, and then the strobes. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, I didn't have to do anything else. Wiring wise, just connected all together and just mounted up there, and that's it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you the wheel lights right now. It's not that dark outside, but I mean, it's already getting a little dark. You can probably see it on camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on. Like I said, they don't look as bright, but that's because most of the light output, my tires are covering it. Because like I said, I don't have wide wheels, so all the light just kind of stays right there. where the tires at. I mean, they look good. But see, like I said, well, I don't know, maybe on camera it looks like it lights up a lot. Maybe if I get some 20s, then they'll be a little bit more brighter. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn on all the lights except for the light bar, or at least so I can see what those look like. Let me see. Dang. The right lights are brighter. Looks like right lights are brighter than the wheel lights. Plus the wheel lights look like a little crisper white, and the right lights are a different color white. Yeah, you can see it right there in the. You'll be able to see it right there in the video, the difference in shade of color. But that's what it's looking like. Like I said, maybe if I would have had some wider wheels or chromes or something that can, you know, help extend that light, then it'll look cleaner. That's what it's looking like right now. Get a front shot. Yep. So that's it. They're good. That's the install for these wheel lights. If y'all have any questions, let me know. But like I said, I got them from Oracle Lighting. And like I said, it's just pretty much just a power in the ground. Connect them all to the connection that they come with, and they just put a power in the ground, and that's it. It comes with a switch, but like I said, I use my own. But that's what it's looking like. So yeah. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.